In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the background color on Squarespace, whether you're looking to refresh your site's look or just want a specific section to stand out. Altering the background color can make a huge difference in the overall aesthetic of your site. Let's dive into the process and see how easy it is to customize your Squarespace site. First, navigate to the section of your Squarespace website where you want to change the background color. Once you find the right spot, hover over it with your mouse. You'll notice a pencil icon appear, which is your gateway to editing that section. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon, aptly labeled as Edit Section. This will open up a set of options that allows you to make modifications to that particular area of your site. Now that you're in the editing mode, look for the Colors tab. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the Colors tab to access a variety of color themes that you have previously set up. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy by offering preset color themes, so you don't have to worry about picking the perfect shade from scratch. These themes might be named something like Lightest 1 or Dark 2 depending on how you've named them in your design settings. Once you've clicked on the Colors tab, it's time to select a theme. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your vision for that section of your website. As soon as you select a theme, you'll notice that the background color updates instantly. This immediate change allows you to preview how the new color scheme looks on your site and decide if it's the right fit. Feel free to experiment with different themes until you find the one that truly enhances the look and feel of your website. After you've settled on a theme, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Done button, usually located at the top right of your editing panel. Click Done and then make sure to hit Save. This step is vital because it ensures that all the changes you've made are applied to your live site. If you forget to save, you'll lose all your hard work and have to start over. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of a section on your Squarespace website. This simple adjustment can significantly impact the way visitors perceive your site, making it more visually appealing and engaging. Remember, playing around with colors can be a fun and creative way to express your brand's personality, so don't hesitate to explore different themes and combinations. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident in customizing the look of your Squarespace site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or reach out to the Squarespace support team. Thanks for watching and happy designing.